तिमी भन है A for
apple,
B for
ball,
C for
cat,
D for
dog,
E for
elephant,
F for
fish,
G for
goat,
H for
hen,
I for
I think,
J for
dog,
K for
kite,
L for
lion,
M for
monkey,
N for
snake,
O for
orange,
P for
pencil,
Q for
queen,
R for
pool,
R for
road,
S for
sheep,
T for
garden,
U for
umbrella,
B for
umbrella,
B for
umbrella,
B for pen.
man,
W for
what,
X for
Christmas tree,
Xmas tree. Y for
guy,
चौरी गाई होइन Y for yak भन्नुपर्छ है
yak,
Y for
yak,
Z for
zebra,
के अरे
zebra,
पुग्यो धन्यवाद
धन्यवाद,
बाई बाई
bye.